Hey everybody, I'm Roger Harris, Service Director here at Valley Subaru.
And I'm Devin Koenig, Service Manager. Just wanted to take a few minutes to show you what to expect when you enter our service department and introduce you to our staff. When you arrive for your service appointment, pull all the way forward to this glass door here. One of the service advisors will see you pull up and they'll open the glass door. From there, you can enter through this door, or one of the service advisors will come out and assist you. If you need to come before or after hours, we do have a drop box. You can pull up, park your car anywhere on the lot that there's an open spot, walk over, grab an envelope, fill all of your information out, put your key inside, insert into the drop box, and one of the advisors will call you first thing in the morning. When you enter the service department, one of our service riders will be able to assist you. From there, they'll collect some information, do a walk-around inspection, and get the job started for you. If you prefer waiting with us, you can go right through this door where we have a comfortable lounge. Or we have a shuttle service if you need to be dropped off in town or anywhere locally. We also have a huge fleet of loaner cars that you can use at no cost to you if you don't want to take the shuttle or you have a bunch of errands to run. For simple services like oil changes, swing on in and see us. We have an express service that runs Monday through Friday, 7 to 3:30, and Saturday, 8 to 2:30. If you have any other issues, give us a ring or go online. We'll get you scheduled in. Don't be shy. Please bring your furry friends. We're super dog friendly here. If you need anything, reach out. We look forward to serving you.